Camaro idles rough. When the Chevy Camaro's engine idles rough, there are 7 possible malfunctions that you should check. For reference, Camaro idles rough is often referred to as Camaro idles erratically or Camaro idles unevenly. And this could mean the Camaro has a rough idle at stop. It could mean the Camaro is idling rough with a check engine light present. It could mean the Camaro idles rough at low RPM, or it idles rough in drive. Here are 7 reasons why a Camaro idles rough. Be sure to check for 1 or more possible malfunctions. Number 1, vacuum leakage. Number 2, leaking EGR valve. Number 3, air filter clogged. Number 4, malfunction somewhere in the fuel injection system or engine management system. Number 5, leaking head gasket. Number 6, timing chain and or sprockets worn. Number 7, camshaft lobes worn. Hope you found this video helpful, and leave a comment below if you need additional help. And don't forget to hit the like button.